Comlux Completion in Indianapolis, Indiana, is focused on engineering luxury.
Here we have everything under one roof to meet the customer's expectation and engineer luxury.
Switzerland-based Comlux purpose-built the facility for VIP airliner interior completions.
We engineer luxury. What does that mean? Well, they expect luxury, but we're dealing with technology aircraft that provide obstacles. So we engineer solutions to bring luxury to the clients.
The facility's completion services are in high demand.
Right now we have an A330-200, our first wide-body completion. We've just delivered our 11th completion, a 737-700 BBJ, and we're excited to welcome the first BBJ Max 8 and an Airbus ACJ Neo by the end of this year.
The customer's vision takes shape in the client service area.
In keeping the client at heart, we've laid it out to ensure that we make the best use of their time, where we can move straight from meeting, where we're talking theoretical, to tangible objects, get the touch, get the feel, fully understand their expectations, and find out exactly what they expect to go into their VIP completion.
Under the company's Comlux 3.0 initiative, design, production, and maintenance processes have been digitized, enabling further advancement of bespoke interior quality.
When you do a VIP completion, you need technology, but you have to have craftsmanship. You have to have artisans to really bring the product to life, make it look like what they'd find in their own home or on their yacht.
Comlux Completion is now on its way to becoming the center of excellence for the next generation narrow-body VIP airliner completions.
Now we've got 2 more Max 8s and 2 more Neos coming. We got some of the finest engineers, some of the finest craftsmen. It's what our customers come to expect. It's what we're going to deliver.